currently at the cafe that I have my pop-up at, but so many freaking meetings and I have so much conflict going on right now.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test.
I haven't really showed y'all this one. This is Sterling and this is Mochi.
Maybe it's headphones that I've been missing in my life.
Take me there tonight. You are my treasure. Yeah, you. Hi. Oh, not my boy journal. To all the boys I've given a fuck about. This bitch is thick. Anyways, hi. Welcome back to the channel. I have been lazy, and is that anything new? No, because in every video I say that I've been lazy. But maybe it's just because I don't do anything. I thought I would vlog for you guys today, even though I don't know what's going on. I never do, but you know, today I'm gonna show you guys a normal day in my life. It's currently 12:25 and I haven't done jack shit, but I wanna go out today and like leave my house and go to buy some headphones and also just clean up my house, even though I clean in like every single video, but it's because it's been a mess. So yeah. Also, I have another dog. Come here, Mochi. This is Sterling and this is Mochi. Yep, they're two little white crusty little dogs, typical Asian parent dogs, but they're my little babies. Anyways, so first of all, I'm putting the sheets on my bed for the third time this week because a girl is on her period and she's bleeding all over everything. But oh my god, crazy hoodie. Wow, isn't this so crazy that like this is my clothing line that I dropped. Link down below if they aren't sold out already. But let me just put this on for you guys. Oh my god, look at the fit. I custom cut and sew this whole hoodie. You cannot buy the shape of this hoodie anywhere else. Why? Because I actually made it. Wow, another one just on my bed. Maybe it's because like these are like my favorite hoodies to wear. Bed real quick. Took me long enough. I barely even like cleaned the place. I've literally had unload the dishwasher on my to-do list for like a week now. I've literally done the bare minimum and like barely have cleaned my house today, but I'm like, oh my god, let me reward myself and like go outside to eat. But I do that every single time and it just leads to me eating things that I don't actually want to eat or like I'm not actually hungry. So I'm trying to stop myself from doing that. But if y'all don't know, I've been MIA for a while on my spam account. I just haven't been like posting on Instagram or like YouTube or talk to y'all as much as I usually do. And the reason is because I have been going through it, but I'm trying to get back into it. Don't be worried, it's not bad. But while I was gone, I started a record collection and I play records in my house now, which is really cool. I've been trying to like hone in on like having like little things about myself, you know what I mean, that like are cool. You know when somebody has like cool hobbies or like cool little things that somebody does and you're like, wow, that's so them. I'm trying to do that and I think records are something that I really enjoy. That is so satisfying. Although it's kind of crooked because the spines and stuff, I have a record collection. Isn't that cool? Oh. You're literally seeing you. Stop being so scared. You always be barking. Literally, he never barks unless he sees his own reflection.
2 seconds later.
I just caught this motherfucker trying to pee on the toy. We're gonna take him outside. We're back and I'm hungry and I just made a B-reel, even though everyone's been talking about it for a minute. But I made mine so that y'all can add me. So if y'all want to add me, I have a link down below. It's my family, but we can all be on B-reel together. Also this morning, I procrastinated making my bed for hours because I was posting on my spam account all morning long. So that's that. I'm kind of hungry and I don't really have food at home. I mean, I have like a head of cauliflower. I could definitely make roasted vegetables with, but like it's kind of a lot of work and I'm not in the mental state to be making food right now. But I'm thinking that we go get food, go buy some new headphones since I lost my headphones, and go get this dry clean. Bye bye. Do you eat your food mixed up or do you like eat it from the side like this and cut it? Because whenever I eat my Chipotle, I do the same thing. I never like shake it up or mix it up. I always eat my food from the side because I feel like it's an even bite every time. Because like when people make food, they like layer it. So it's like every single bite you get the same amount of things. Or am I weird for that? I'm
in Soho right now trying to get some new headphones, because like I said, I lost mine. I had the Sony ones before and they're really good. I'll link them down below. I always say I'll link it down below, but I'll actually do it. They're really good. They come in cute colors. They're aesthetic, but I lost those. So I want to try to get the Apple AirPods now, like the Max, the over-the-ear ones, just because I haven't had them before. But I really like the Sony ones if you guys want something more inexpensive, and they're not inexpensive. What am I saying? They're still expensive, but it's just cheaper than the Apple ones. But I'm gonna try to go get some Apple ones now. I'm thinking I just get the white ones, or should I get the black ones? I don't know. I think white fits my aesthetic more, not gonna lie. They're so noise canceling. Oh my god. Damn, I really just paid $600 for some headphones. That was actually crazy. I didn't think they were $600. Oh, the streets of Soho are so empty right now, but like next week during Fashion Week, it's gonna be absolutely crazy. Like I remember coming to New York Fashion Week for the first time and like these streets were packed, especially Spring Street in Soho. But if you guys don't know, I'm having an event on Saturday, September 10th. If you guys wanna pull up, doing like a little meet and greet pop-up. So I'll have the information and everything down below and on my Instagram. But damn, look. There's two people wearing AirPods Maxes right there. I think it's a sign. Just kidding. Not to be that bitch, but why is everything a sign? Just these three here. That was my first time ever dropping anything off at a dry cleaner's, but I'm trying to do dry cleaning for some of my pieces because if I pay so much for clothes, might as well take good care of them. I've been trying to like change as a person and like, you know, take care of my things and be careful. So I thought I would invest in dry cleaning, but it makes me feel like a new bitch. Definitely something I'm grateful to be able to do though, because being able to dry clean my clothes is an expense that I never thought that I'd be able to do. But I'm currently at Buy a Bar and I'm gonna go get an acai bowl. I'm currently trying to plan this event that I'm doing next week on Saturday. So basically, I want people to be able to go get their auras taken. Basically, you can take a picture and it'll show you like the color of your aura. But that means that I would have to charge people 30 bucks. But I'm like, are 200 people gonna want 250 people gonna want to pay 30 bucks for that? I don't know about that one. Something I'm gonna have to think about. It feels so wrong of me to unbox a pair of headphones on the streets of New York. I don't know why. They're so pretty. Oh, I feel so bougie right now. I've been seeing everyone have these and I have been feeling the feeling of FOMO, but I'm like, I don't care because I don't need another pair of headphones. But then I lost the pair and then the other pair that I had for years was broken. So I was like, all right, it's time. Oh my God, do you see how smooth this slides? I feel so bougie right now. Am I all of a sudden that bitch? Like, am I that bitch? Am I certified girly now? Am I certified Pinterest girly now? Certified Pinterest girly. I couldn't tell if he was cute or not. The song that I've been loving lately, as y'all already know, so it's not like I'm putting you on a song, is Bad Habit by Steve Lacy. Like, I know I'm not putting y'all on, but I just want to tell you that this is what I've been listening to. Yo, this noise cancellation is so good. Yo, I forgot how good music is because literally just playing that made my mood a million times better. Maybe it's headphones that I've been missing in my life because I haven't had headphones for like a month now and I've been actually not okay. But now that I have this music just playing, like my mood is a million times better. Like, could you just tell? Maybe music is what I've been missing. Why am I getting emotional? Like, I actually think that I've just been like missing music. Like, it just puts me in my own world, you know what I mean? This class right now, oh my gosh, I love this store. It always has like the cutest little knickknacks. I want this one so bad, but it's $65. I'm gonna think about it. Definitely don't need it, but it's so cute. Look at these wine glasses. Oh my god. Oh my god, I had this fishy one, but then I broke it. Hi, Mochi. Looks like Mochi. Hi. You're so cute. They sell like incense holders, book heatable lighter. How do you use this? Wow. Oh my god, this mirror is so cute, but $800? Wow.
Let's go outside, babies. Oh, the boy. And you too, Sterling. The boys. All right. Come on. Feeding the doggies. Yeah. Get in. Good boys. And that is crate training.
So they know that their cage is a safe space. I'm in the schmood to manifest. I've been in this mood for a while where like I knew that I needed to sit my ass down and really think about my intentions and the goals that I want to set and what I want to achieve. I did this once last year and basically I created a little box and like I journal and think about the things that I want in life and like my ideal life because it changes all the time, you know what I mean? But like, you know, you have your core values and stuff. And last year I did it and I thought about all the things that I wanted. So I like journaled about it, meditated on it, and then I printed out the pictures. I actually just bought a printer to be able to do this. Print all the pictures out, cut them out, and then I look at the picture, I visualize my life in it, and I think whatever is contained in this box is, and then I put it in the box, and then, you know, after I do everything, I shut the box and I that's that. And literally last year I did that, and one of the manifestations worked in hours. Like I literally met the celebrity that I wanted to meet so badly, which is crazy. I also set the intention that I was gonna get a brand deal with Crocs, and then I got it. I set the intention that I was gonna get a brand deal with this other brand, and then I got it. Like, and like other things in life happen, and like it's just, I set the intention literally a year ago. A full year later, things finally happened, and it's just like I forgot about it, you know what I mean? And it's just like, wow, like I can't believe I thought about this a year ago and it finally happened. Like you may not know this, but the things that you want right now could be working in your favor and you don't even know it, and you'll be able to see the results later on in life. So yeah, I believe in you. I think about you all the time. You look so perfect standing there. I got your name tattooed in an arrow heart. Hey, baby, I just don't get it. You don't believe in stories. Every night, doing you right, give you everything. Oh, and leave me there tonight. You are my treasure. Yeah, you. All right, so game plan today is I'm currently going to the salon to get my hair done because a brand wants me to make a TikTok for them, which is crazy. I literally use their products in my hair. Like my hair has dyed with this product. Like it's crazy that I'm now working with them. So I'm gonna do that, and then I have a meeting at 11 o'clock to go over the whole pop-up. I'm gonna go to the cafe. We're gonna figure that all out. At 3 o'clock, I have a call with somebody for my text messages, which I have a phone number where you guys can text me directly and I can text you, so I can also let you know like whenever I drop a new video, drop like my clothes. But then I was also thinking that I wanna be able to give you guys like an early access code to the website. So I'm gonna be texting you guys and then also telling you guys on the spam account the early access code. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, but my phone number is here if you guys wanna text me. But there's a lot of stuff that I need to do to prepare for the pop-up on Saturday, so I am really excited. So if you guys live in New York and you guys can make it, I would really appreciate it. I'm about to get like a hair gloss treatment done. This is my hair right now. It like looks fine, but it's just very dry looking, so I'm gonna get something done to my hair. My clothing company, not gonna lie, because basically I'm just trying to get high quality things made but just sell them to you guys at a cheap price possible, and that means that if I do that then it cuts into my cost and I just don't make as much profit, right? Which I'm fine with because I just want as many clothes on you guys as possible and things that you guys can wear that are high quality, that are a low price. The argument is that yes, I make less profit, but I get to sell way more things to you and high quality things, you know? Anyways, I have a meeting. Hello? This is the big salad. They really set this out in like 2 minutes. It's so fast, but I'm currently just like journaling and just like writing things down. I'm really excited, and this is something like new that I'm doing that I've like never really done before, and it's definitely scary. Like putting yourself in these uncomfortable situations and feeling that uncomfortable feeling is what makes you grow and makes you. That's what creates change, and like that change could be the next big thing for you, and then that could bring you some happiness that you didn't even know because you just reached a new direction. Does this make sense? I don't know if I'm words. Anyways, I got a kale salad. Cheers. Okay, so I'm about to head to FedEx. This was not the plan today. I was supposed to have like a chill day today, but yeah, but like let me show you all them. You know what I mean? Y'all can purchase these on Saturday, but I think my favorite thing about these hoodies is that they're literally like a custom fit, and right now it only comes in one size. It's not like a one size fits all or anything like that. It literally only comes in one size because I made it for me without the intention to sell to people. But then, you know, y'all were like, oh my god, Mai, like where'd you get your hoodies? So then I was like, oh, let me sell it. So I think in the future, like if a lot of you guys really like this first drop, then I'll make more in different sizes. But this is how it fits. I would say it fits like as an extra large, and I typically am a small in clothes, or like I like to wear my hoodies as a medium. But the thing that I love about this hoodie is that I designed the hoodie so that it naturally kind of cinched in. Do you guys see how like there's kind of wings on it? So like it feels super nice and like cozy. I don't know, it's just overall like a really nice hoodie to just wear around and just like lounge in. It's soft and it just like hugs you nicely, and I just like love the way it fits. Then I have the full zip. I haven't really shown you all this one, but this is my favorite design out of all of them. I just like the color of it. I feel like it's a very nice neutral one. It looks like this on the back. The thing about this is, again, I made it custom and everything. So this one is cool because it has the zipper all the way from the top, and you can zip it all the way up if you wanted. Actually, whenever I'm on a plane, I love this because I go like this and it's like a little sleeping mask, you know? So I really like this hoodie too, and I just like love the neutral colors. And on the front it says, "It's not what we do that changes the world, it's who we become," in like a very simple text, because I didn't want to like throw a logo in people's faces or anything like that, because like, I don't know, that's just like not what I'm trying to do. So yeah, if you guys want to support Shop the Drop on Saturday, and if you guys can't purchase anything, that is totally fine. Literally just like watching this video, commenting down below, like anything helps and, you know, shows your support. But if you would like to purchase because you like it, it drops on Saturday. So video in the comments because I'm going to be reading them, and make sure to follow my Instagram if you guys want more information on pop up and everything. But I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I'll see you on Saturday actually.
East and the west, racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long, she putting me to the test.